Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Today I am here with a chocolate recipe. Yes, you are right, kids they love it. So today's chocolate is a special chocolate made from dates and very simple ingredients which are available at home. They are very tasty as well as very healthy. So let's check it out.
The ingredients required are some 250 grams of dates, some 5 to 6 Mary biscuits, some handful of cashew nuts, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. So first we will clean these dates in water. These dates are highly nutritious. They improve the functioning of the brain. So if we give it to children daily, it will improve their brain functioning and their studies will become better. It reduces even the risk of cancer. It prevents various types of microbial infections. Even it is very healthy and good for diabetic patients. Even the sugar cravings of many can be resolved by eating these sweet dates. We have to remove the seeds of these dates. And we can prepare very tasty chocolates from this. So I have removed all the seeds. Cashews, I have broken it into smaller pieces. And these biscuits, I will grind it into a fine powder. Just 2 tablespoons of powder is required. So for convenience in grinding, I am adding 6 to 7 biscuits. Only 2 tablespoon powder is required. So fine powder is ready. We will use it for further purpose. Take a pan. When it is hot, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. When the ghee melts, add dates. Mix it well. You have to cook it in low flame for at least 10 minutes. It depends upon the quality of dates we have selected for making the chocolates. I have selected here good quality, premium quality dates. So it will be cooked nicely within 8 to 10 minutes. So it depends upon the dates we have selected. So we have to mash it very nicely. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Dates are very high in fiber content, so it is very beneficial for preventing constipation. It is also helpful in controlling blood sugar level, so very good for diabetic patients. Dates have converted into dough-like structure. Now we will add the nuts into it. Then we have to add 2 tablespoons of biscuit powder. Now mix it thoroughly. Now the mixture is cool. We will transfer it on a plastic paper. Now we will roll it nicely into a round shape with the help of the same plastic paper. Just press it nicely so that all the ingredients they become smooth and a glycine effect comes on the outer side of the chocolates. You can see the shiny appearance. The ingredients which we have used in it, it gives a shining appearance on the outer side of the chocolate. Now we have to roll it nicely, tie both the sides with a rubber band and keep it in fridge for 1 hour so that it becomes stiff. So after 1 hour, let's see how our chocolate has come out. We will remove the outer covering and I will show you how stiff it has become after cooling for 1 hour. Listen to the sound. Now we will cut our chocolate stick into 1 centimeter thick chocolates. See how beautiful it's looking. The white and brown color contrast is looking awesome. So we will cut all the pieces like this with 1 centimeter thickness. We can store it in airtight container or we can wrap this stick again in plastic cover and keep it in fridge and we can use it for 2 to 3 weeks. Whenever our kids they require these energy boosters, we can provide it very happily to them. And the best part of this chocolate is that even our adults can enjoy these chocolates without any restriction. So I love it very much. You also enjoy. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.